On June 15, 2023, an officer was patrolling a high-crime area known for trafficking and the use of narcotics, located in Elgin, Illinois. During the patrol, the officer observed Jerome interacting with 3 individuals nearby, including what appeared to be a direct exchange in the parking lot. Jerome seemed to have noticed the presence of the officer and promptly distanced himself from the person he was with. The officer then initiated contact with Jerome, who displayed hostility and immediately requested the presence of a supervisor.
Officer Mac from Elgin Police Department. You got your license and insurance on you today?
Yeah, can you call the lieutenant for me? I want a supervisor.
Okay. Still need the ID though.
Okay. There you go, right? She ain't suspended.
Got insurance?
Old lady car.
A lady's car? Okay. Well, can you see if you can find it for me?
I don't have. Get the white shirt here. I'm not with following me over. Yeah, no probable cause. I didn't violate no rules. No.
Well, you don't got a seatbelt on. Didn't use the turn signal.
I did use.
You were speeding. Nope.
Right there.
You were speeding. Got a brake light out. Okay. Don't got insurance in the car. Your which looks like you're banned from. So.
I look like I'm banned from there. Hey man, just call the white shirt.
He's asking for boss. I stopped him. He's got no seatbelt. He's got a brake let out. Turn without using a turn signal. All right, Jerome, you got the insurance?
I told you I don't have it.
You want to look for it, or?
No, I don't want to look for it. If you're gonna give me my ticket, give me my ticket.
Okay.
The man insists on not cooperating and repeatedly asks for the supervisor, who then arrives.
I got the supervisor out here.
Okay.
Talk to you. Okay. You sure you don't want to try to call your girl?
I don't want to do nothing. Write your tickets, what you gonna do, and leave me alone.
Well, can I ask why you're being so hostile with me?
Because you pulled me over for nothing. So just let me talk to the lieutenant. I don't even want to talk to you. Can I have my ID and my tickets? That's all.
Okay. You talk to Jerome. You pick up? You did. You can. Okay.
What's up, man? How you doing, boss man? I didn't mean to come call you out your office or even mess with you. Okay, I dropped some money off to my niece and nephew in the towers, them Project Section 8 towers, whatever. Boom, I go to JJ's, I get some water, I see somebody I know, boom, I chop it up with them. I pull out the parking lot. He come from behind me from like if you coming down the hill. Yeah. He tailed me from all the way from there, all the way to right here. He pulled me over, I put on my turn signals. Okay. I stopped at every stop, a full stop at every stop sign, everything like that. Then all of a sudden he say, he said I'm banned from JJ's. I came from a hot spot, something like that. I don't really know y'all areas out here, the hot spot. If I ain't dropping off money to my niece and nephew, I'm gambling at y'all casino. I'm out of here. Just like this, I couldn't. This look like a slow pace of living right here. I couldn't do nothing without here. So I don't understand why he following me. I don't understand the harassment. I don't know if this a special shift. I don't know nothing about nothing out here.
Right. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. I'm from the north side of Chicago.
Okay. All right. Well,
the only reason I come to y'all town is to drop that money out to my people or gamble, or I'm the fuck out of here.
All right. And we'll get you out of here as soon as we can. All right.
Yeah. So but I'm trying to understand, sir. See, I came to you with respect.
Yeah.
I'm trying to understand.
Well, I don't exactly. I just got out here, so I don't know what they have going on.
So, I'm trying to figure it out too,
right.
Shit.
All right. Well, let me talk to the other. I'll go talk to this officer and see if we can see what's going on. All right.
All right.
Meanwhile, the officers involved in the detainment call for the K9 unit to conduct a search of the suspect's vehicle, while also continuing to ask if there is anything illegal in the car.
So it's going to be a few minutes, okay? So he's got to sit tight for us, okay? Nothing we need to know about, right? Nothing illegal, no contraband, no weapons, no drugs.
I didn't know you could pull somebody out their car for a traffic stop.
No one's pulling you out of your car, are they?
Okay. Just because I didn't know the law.
Well, and just so you know, you technically can.
Hey, where we come from today over there by Chicago State?
I was coming from JJ's.
Okay.
That's when you came from behind me. You know what's going on.
Well, so I'm asking you because you're barred from over there, right?
I never known I was barred from over there.
It says you were served with some paper. Okay. Do you remember that?
I was served some papers by Cricket, not JJ's.
Okay. Were you in Cricket today?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. So when you're in the lot, you were just at Pepper.
I went to JJ's, got some water, came out.
Okay. You bought some water?
About cricket.
You bought some water, you said?
I bought some water.
Is it in the car with you now?
No, I drunk it and threw it away.
Okay. All right. Sure you don't want to check the insurance for me?
Please just give me my tickets before I go on about my business.
I needed to clarify because, like I said, you're banned from one of the stores over there.
You said
so I had to look I had to look into it. That's why I wanted to clarify.
Okay.
I'm gonna get going on some tickets for you. All right.
At this point, the K9 unit arrived on the scene to perform a sniff of the vehicle and alerted to the presence of narcotics.
Find dope. 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 Off. Find dope. Find dope. Find dope. Find dope. Find dope. Find dope. Find dope.
In the presence of something in the trunk, the officer requests to search the car, and the driver insists that if he does so, he will be reported. At this point, the man is arrested, and they begin to search him.
Is that a positive?
Yes.
Oh, man. Look, here's the deal, all right? We could make this real easy. If there's something in the car, just let us know. All right?
Bro, if you search that car, I need your ticket number. I will be suing you.
Okay. That's totally fine.
I will be suing you.
So I want to know now. Again, let's just make it real easy. Okay. Is there anything in the car that should be in the car, my man?
My man, if you search that car, I will sue you.
Okay. I'm going to ask you again.
My man, don't say nothing to me. I got the right to remain silent. If you get in that car, my man, you search that car, you will get sued.
Okay. I'm going to check you, so put your hands on top of your head.
I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands on top of your head.
I didn't do nothing. Why is you?
Top of your head.
Why is you doing? Hell, man, I didn't do nothing.
Right.
What is he doing? Hey, let me. Hey, I didn't do nothing. Hey,
Let's just keep going.
Hey.
Keep going, Costa.
Hey, I didn't do nothing. You're violating my rights. You're violating my rights. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Right now, we'll just get
I didn't do nothing.
We can readjust when it calms down.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing. Hey, record. Record.
Hey,
Get off me.
roll
I
up,
didn't
dude.
do nothing.
Hey, stop acting like a...
Get off
Let's go.
me.
Roll up.
Don't get off me. Hey, man, get off me. Hey, get off me. Hey, you put your knee in my
Jerome.
back.
Jerome,
You put your knee in
roll
my
up.
back.
I need to search you.
Hey, record. Hey, record. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. You're violating my...
I'm going to check your pockets.
Hey, you better carry me out. Get off me. Hey, get off me. Get off me. Hey, get off me.
Got it, Johnny.
Hey, get off me. Hey, get off me.
If you kick me, it's going to be a charge. Hey,
Hey,
if you kick me, it's going to be a charge.
Hey, get off me. Get off me. Hey, get off me.
I put that in there.
Hey, get off me.
That's checked.
All right.
Hey, get off me. Help. 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 Get off me. Get off me.
We're not on you.
Hey,
Not on you.
get off me.
Single person's on you, man.
Listen.
Get on me.
Listen.
You illegally searching me.
It's not illegal.
You illegally searching me.
That's not true.
Jerome,
Yes,
will
it
you
is.
sit up for us?
No.
You're not going to sit up?
No, carry me out.
I got to
Carry
check this
me out.
pocket.
You going to a car sign?
Yup.
Yeah.
Carry me out. Carry me
You
out.
got to check your other pocket first.
Carry me.
Continuing the search, they find a small bag in the jeans pocket, which is later discovered to contain cocaine.
There it is. Can you just sit up so you can breathe?
No. No. Get off me.
Look, I want to make this real
No.
easy. Okay.
Ain't not gonna be
Sit
easy.
up.
Ain't not gonna be easy.
You want to really lay down in your
Yup.
face?
Yup.
This is what you want?
Yup. You illegally searched me.
I got a double cage. We could just go through it.
Yup.
Get him up.
Hey man, you gonna fuck my arm up.
Well, you're not cooperating. We got to get you in the car.
Hey man, what the fuck is y'all doing, man?
You sit
Hey
up.
man, what the fuck is he doing?
Well, we're trying to get you up. You stand up. Here, try and get him on his. Put him on his feet.
What do we flip? Let's land down gently.
Put him on his knees. Okay, sit up on your knees, okay?
Come on, Jerome.
Hey man, you f***ing my hand up.
Jerome,
Sit
sit
up
up.
on your knees.
What y'all doing, man?
You're doing this to
Hey man, I'm
yourself.
doing right here doing too much.
Jerome, sit up, dude.
Hey man, get your bitch ass off me.
Roll him on his back.
What you doing?
Listen up, dude. It's over. You're screaming and you're flopping around. okay? Stand up and get in there. We don't want to drag you in there. It's the last thing we want to do. But you're making this incredibly difficult. If we get you on your feet, will you sit in the car? We don't want to have to use any force. We don't want to hurt you. We don't want to do any of that. All right?
Come on, it's over. Just jump up, dude.
Hey, man, don't put your feet in my face, bitch.
Jump up, dude.
Don't put your feet in my face. Go ahead, touch me.
Okay,
For this case get thrown out, sue you, bitch.
We'll have him.
I want you to kick me. Kick me, bitch. Kick me. Kick me, bitch.
As long as
Kick me, you stupid bitch. Get your bitch ass out. Faggot.
trying to hit, I'm trying to stop your head from moving, dude.
These cuffs are tight as hell.
Well,
Damn.
Fine, give me that cuff. Here, I got it. All right, we're gonna put a second.
Him.
We're gonna put a second set of cuffs on so it stops hurting. Okay.
all right. Does that feel better?
Yeah.
Trying to
It
help
ain't
you.
that hand, it's this one.
Okay.
Well, Jesus Christ.
We'll adjust that one so it's not tighten off on you. Okay.
There.
Watch your head. All right. See, I'm gonna buckle you in so you don't get hurt on the transport back.
After handcuffing and placing the man in the car with some difficulty, the officers begin to search the vehicle. The vehicle search led to the discovery of a 9mm semi-automatic handgun with a loaded magazine, a round in the chamber, and a 30-round magazine next to it. Additionally, a box of plastic bags was found, similar to the bag in which the crack cocaine was discovered.
What's that?
Snap some pictures. Or you can.
Yeah, hold on. Let's get a picture, Johnny.
You ain't do shit. I'm about to beat this.
That's fine, man.
Fuck you talking about?
Look, dude, I got a job I got to do, all right?
I don't care. Stop
Okay.
talking to
Okay.
me, bro.
All right. Let me know if you get too warm. I'll turn AC on for you.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. You want to do one more thing? Nope. 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 Come on up.
It's like it's everywhere.
Yeah. Nope.
It's gonna be a lot of dog. Like
Nope.
Nick's saying that he's probably gonna be using dog for a second time handler, like on a mark, not a first time guy.
On the back seat here, he sniffed a couple times. Didn't go into a final response, but in the back here. Ouch. Ouch. There you go, sweetie.
Yeah, let's not lose that, huh? Cool, you guys will take it. Beautiful.
He's going to.
Thank you. I'm gonna bring him. I'll take care of that.
You see, you can get underneath this back seat.
I'll say that.
Jerome was charged for felony, possession of cocaine with intent to deliver, unlawful possession of a weapon by a felon, aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, resisting, obstructing an officer with injury and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more content.